And a good morning to you all. It is a Monday morning. Hope you are enjoying yourself on this Monday. And we got some snow falling here at our studios right now. A light, somewhat steady snow. When you look at our tower camera, kind of a hazy look here, indicative. And I did just check outside the door before going on. And indeed, we do have some snow showers. It does appear to be accumulating. The roadways have been salted. Peachtree 90 in good shape for this morning. Let's see if we can check out who else. Let's check out another one. Let's go to the airport. That's got usually a good look. They got the light post right there. And let's see if we've got some. Whoops. Let's try this again. I clicked the wrong button. There we go. And there it is. You can see it. It is a larger flake snow, a cold snow, so to speak. But in the grand scheme of things, of course, it's reflecting nicely off the light, so it looks like it's pretty heavy. But a lot of times we check out the background here, and you can see the lights of the building farther toward the back. Very easy to see, and not, not really blocking the. It's just not a lot of drop in the visibility here. As we go to downtown area, again, a bit of light snowflakes falling here. Nothing big time. State Street in good shape. So yeah, we do expect some snow for today, but not a whole lot again in the grand scheme of things. We did have the snow. The snow yesterday. For some of you, a bit of a bust. Downtown area was a bust. We really thought we'd get a lot more. Um, don't like the southwest flow here, the west southwest flow, because it usually does have a high bust potential for the most part. And basically, what happened, we thought that the bands would settle and kind of hold along the lake shore there. Well, they didn't settle as much. They hit Chautauqua County more. They did give some pretty good snow amounts to the east side of Erie. In fact, as let's go to the Erie Land Lighthouse. Don't show this much too much in our AM weather chat, but it's a good one today. You can see here out on East Avenue, more snow here. I mean, at least two or three, if not maybe 3 to 4 here. And that's the kind of trend we had up to 4 inches out in Harbor Creek, Northeast area, again, good amount. But basically, west side and south of Erie, not nearly as much. Airport officially less than an inch. Um, Over in Edinboro. Lori had about an inch and a half. Same for Corey. Becky, I believe, had 3 inches in French Creek, so she had a pretty good amount. But most of you, basically from Edinboro south, got what we expected. It's just downtown didn't get as much. If I get pounded a little bit more, but there's a lot of clouds around. And as for how things are looking for today, well, it's not looking all that promising for a lot of snow. You can see the bands hanging in through mid-morning and then gradually dissipating for the rest of the day. So those bands could still give a good quick inch before gradually moving off. And then we keep it clouded for tonight, probably squeezing out a few flakes of snow, and then a little more sunshine. Tuesday, the last full day of fall, at least on the calendar. Of course, you watch us, you know that we've been a meteorological winter since December 1st. So that's what we have here, doing quite tranquil here, and into Wednesday, pretty tranquil as well. Now I'm going to switch things up here, and because we do have some big changes later on in the week, I'm going to see if I can do this on the fly here. Come on, precipitation. There we go. And let's change this to the 20. Oh, okay. Let's try that. Let's see what happens here. I don't know if this will work. Um, Okay. Why did it stop? It wasn't supposed to stop. Um, okay, let's try this. Okay, now maybe this will work. So we're going to go in the future. I just want to see if we can get, okay, I didn't go out far enough. About now. There we go. Okay, so we got some color here. So you can see here, come Thursday, it looks like we see some showers. And then on Friday, starting out with rain, and look what happens. Boom. Now here it's kind of a late change. Other models change it much sooner. But we are left with some pretty good rain to some snow. And a lot will depend on wind direction, as you can see here. Now uh, don't look at that wind velocity because I didn't change that. That's the old data there. But the precipitation could be pretty significant as we head on toward Friday and into the weekend. So let's go right to our 7-day. Oh, no, let's see who's chatting in today. Here we go. Celine, good to see ya. 0.5 inches left on the ground, but it's blowing around. So, yeah, airport was a big bust. Thought we'd get a lot more than that. Hello, Sue. Hope to have Deary later this morning. Do some shopping coming in from Pittsfield. Just watch the roads, but they should be in pretty decent shape for your travels there. Amy out there on State Street got 27, got some snowing. Bob and Sue out there in Jacksonville, a cold 39. Hello, David. Good to see you, David Hupp. Deborah Tonkin, hello to you. Yes, I hear they got hit pretty good there. Thank you, Deborah. Hello, April. Good to see you. Linda, hello to you. 96 South Carolina. Yep, 26. Okay, definitely colder than Jacksonville. Possibly 12. Yeah. Yeah, I'm glad you moved to the south to get warmed up. Yeah, this Arctic outbreak that we're expecting this weekend is probably going to go all the way out to Florida. Yeah, including you, Bob, and Sue out there in Jacksonville. Excuse me. Hello, Blaine. Good to see you. And let's see here. Did I miss someone? I guess I didn't. Okay. That's fine there. Let's go right to the 7-day and show you what we expect here in the Erie region. And again, 33 for today. Snow maybe an inch or less of accumulation. Now, Tuesday and Wednesday, pretty good. Wednesday, winter begins. Let me see what time. When does winter begin? Let's see if they give me a time here. Okay, got the day. I know the day. I need to know the time. 4:48 p.m. So not till late in the day on Wednesday there, 4:48. Now Thursday looks like mainly rain. Something in the mountains. I may get some wet snow at the start. So we got the mix in here, but it'll be mainly rain. Friday, starting out with rain, and then sometime either midday to mid-afternoon, sharply colder air comes in. The big worry here on many fronts is first the wind gusts, they could hit 60 plus on Friday. The temperature will drop so quickly that we could see the roads quickly freeze up. And yeah, we could get some large scale snow showers and snow Friday. Then the lake effect kicks in Saturday and probably into Christmas Day. Way too early to say who gets hit. It's cold enough, as you can see, it'll be unstable enough, but hard to tell on the wind direction. I mean, the best broad brush is somebody between Buffalo and Cleveland is going to get hit pretty hard. I just don't know who just yet. Leaning toward Buffalo on Friday and on Saturday, rather, and then more here in Northwest PA on Sunday. That is, again, a weak lean. Right? But for those who want to have something to chat about, that's my best guess right now. But that could change several times as you get closer and kind of hone in on what those winds and the storm itself is going to do. But it's wound up. Haven't seen one like this in a while. So this one could be a major winner player as we head on toward the end of the week. We'll be chatting on that as well. But for now, got to fly, everyone. Got to do a little work here. Well, actually, I'm working right now. So you take care of yourselves. We'll talk to you again tomorrow. Enjoy.